Hey guys, my name is Demas Rusli. In this video, we're going to be checking out the 2023 Samsung Neo QLED 8K TV. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Demas Rusli and I'm a photographer and designer based in Sydney, Australia. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the brand new 2023 Samsung Neo QLED 8K TV, as well as talking about my first impressions when it comes to the large screen and the connectivity capabilities of this TV with your other devices. Before we get started, I just want to say a massive thank you to Samsung Australia for sending me this TV and also the QN900C soundbar for me to review. The previous TV that we had was getting quite old and needed a replacement, so we're really excited to be watching our favorite TV shows and playing our favorite games on this brand new Neo QLED 8K TV. Alright, so let's get started. Opening up the box, inside it has the TV itself, the Slim One Connect box, the TV stand components, all the required cables and screws, the Solar Cell 1 remote, and also the instructions. Attaching the TV onto the stand was quite simple. You just need to lay the TV flat face down and then connect the stand using the provided screws. The TV is quite heavy though, so I definitely recommend having two people while maneuvering it around. We got the 65-inch model because of the built-in shelves in our living room, but if you have the budget and space for the 85-inch model, I would definitely recommend it. I was able to check out the 85-inch model at the launch event for the 2023 Samsung TVs, and it was incredible. The design of the TV is really beautiful. The infinity display means that there are virtually no bezels and is border-free. The TV is also super thin with a minimal design for the stand, so it fits real nicely into our entertainment unit. The Slim One Connect box helps to keep the setup neater and cable free, as all your peripherals get connected into it as opposed to the actual TV itself. In the box, it comes with a shorter One Connect box cable if you prefer to attach the unit at the back of the stand, or a longer cable if you prefer to put the One Connect box further away from the TV. We've chosen to do the latter, as this way we're able to hide the cable clutter inside this shelf. The Neo QLED 8K TV was super easy to set up and get up and running. All you have to do is just follow the prompts after turning on the TV. It also comes with a minimally designed Solar Cell 1 remote, which requires no batteries as it can be recharged via USB-C or by indoor and outdoor lighting using the solar panel at the back. The price of this TV starts at 6,499 Australian dollars for the 65-inch model and goes up to 10,999 Australian dollars for the 85-inch model. After using and testing out this TV for about a week now, my favorite thing about it has to be the large screen and the incredible picture quality. The Quantum Matrix Technology Pro within the screen delivers incredibly deep blacks, next level detail and brilliant contrast to whatever you're watching. The screen is also super bright and along with the anti-glare technology is perfect for apartments or houses that get a lot of natural light during the day. It also has adaptive picture mode, which optimizes your picture settings in real time to suit the level of light in the room and the content you're watching, and also eye comfort mode, which reduces the blue light output intelligently using local sunrise and sunset times. Going up from a 4K 55-inch TV to an 8K 65-inch TV makes such a big difference in terms of immersiveness. The larger screen and the extra pixels makes it so much better for consuming content. A 4K TV has the same amount of pixels on a 55-inch screen as it does on an 85-inch screen, and as you get larger, you can sometimes experience the fly screen effect, which is when the fine lines separating the pixels become visible. With the Neo QLED 8K, there are approximately 33 million pixels, which means clarity and detail looks great on the larger screens, even when you sit close. This TV also has AI upscaling, which upscales lower resolution content into higher resolution output automatically. The amazing sound quality is also a favorite feature of mine. It already sounds great straight out of the box, but is even better when paired with the Q990C soundbar. With the soundbar, there are 22 channels of sound coming from both the TV and the soundbar working in sync. This is called Q Symphony technology. And with the SpaceFit Sound Pro technology, the soundbar and the subwoofer is able to analyze room reverberations in your space to give the best possible sound quality for whatever you're consuming. Finally, the last feature I wanted to mention is the level of connectivity this TV has with your other devices and appliances around the house. With Connected Living, which is the built-in SmartThings app on the TV, you can control your home from your TV. A few examples include being notified when your washing machine cycle is complete or if your fridge door is open, and you can even turn on and off your lights in your room. There are a few other cool features where I can wirelessly mirror what's on my phone, tablet or laptop using Smart View or Apple AirPlay 2. And there's also multi-view where you can split the screen into different sources. A good example of using multi-view is if you're watching a workout video on YouTube and at the same time you want to see how your form is, so you can connect your phone's camera to the TV and monitor your form as well. It's also super easy to pair my Galaxy Buds to the TV. This is especially handy when I'm watching sports at night while my wife is already asleep. Overall, from the first week of using this TV, I've been super impressed. It's definitely the best picture quality I've ever seen from a TV, and it's been so immersive watching content on the large 8K screen. The added connectivity features to my other devices has also been a big bonus, and it definitely helps to make my life easier and more efficient. If you have any questions regarding this TV, let me know in the comments below. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and subscribing, and stay tuned for lots more videos coming soon. As always, thanks so much for watching, and remember to always push your creativity to the next level. Bye!